Hi students, we have question number 10 from chapter 3rd of S.C. Verma Physics part 1 and objective 1. The question is, the range of a projectile fired at an angle 15 degree is 50 meters. If it is fired with the same speed at an angle of 45 degrees, its range will be. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you that range is maximum when angle is 45 degrees. So this you need to keep in mind. Another thing, we have a formula for horizontal range or range, which is R is equal to U square sine 2 theta by G. Now let's see. For the condition 1, which is condition 1, we have 15 degree angle and range is 50 meter. Let's put these values in the formula. Then we get R is equal to U square sine 2 theta. So 2 into theta is 15 degrees, so it will be 30 degrees by G, and range is given 50 meters, so we will just put 50, and here we can get U square is equal to 50 into G upon sine 30 degrees, which is 50 upon G divided by 1 by 2, because value of sine 30 degrees 1 by 2. And U, okay, so we have the value for U square. Now let's put this value U square is equal to 50G divided by half in second condition. Second condition says that U is same, so the speed is same, that is U is same, and angle is 45 degrees. So we have required range is R is equal to U square sine 2 into 45 degrees by G. Alright. So this can also be written as 50G by half is actually 100G. So U square is equal to 100G. So we will just put the value of U square as 100G into sine 2 into 45 degree means sine 90 degree. The value of sine 90 degree is 1 divided by G, and we will cancel G in numerator and denominator. So all we get R as R is equal to 100 meters. So this fourth option is the correct option. Okay, this question can also be solved without using all these formula, because just we need to keep in mind that range is maximum when angle is 45 degrees. So if it is 15 degrees, we have a value of range 50 meters. Obviously, when range is maximum at 45 degrees means in the question, if it is asked what is the range at 45 degrees, we need to find the maximum value. So what we can see in options, we have one option as 50 meters, the second highest one, and other two options are below 50 meters. So these two options cannot be the answer. All what is left is 100 meters.